各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要傾嘅主題係關於科技巨頭 Samsung 三星電子，佢哋最近公布咗創紀錄嘅盈利預測，震驚咗市場。呢個唔單止係 Samsung 嘅好消息，更加係全球科技業同埋 AI 人工智能行業嘅一個重要指標。點解 Samsung 嘅盈利可以反映成個行業嘅趨勢？我哋一陣就會詳細拆解。事不宜遲，我哋即刻開始啦。根據最新嘅新聞報道，三星電子預計舊年最後一季嘅營業利潤會達到破紀錄嘅20萬億韓元，比起前年同期增長咗超過2倍。呢個驚人增長嘅主要動力來自於人工智能，即係 AI 帶動嘅記憶體晶片需求急增。大家可能知道 Samsung 係全球最大嘅記憶體晶片製造商，而家好似 NVIDIA 呢一啲公司為咗開發強大嘅 AI 應用，極度需要高效能嘅記憶體晶片，因為呢一啲 AI 晶片嘅需求非常龐大，而且利潤豐厚，搞到記憶體公司都優先將產能分配俾佢哋，結果就導致咗整個市場出現供應短缺，傳統記憶體晶片嘅價格都跟住飆升。有分析師甚至形容記憶體市場已經進入咗一個超級牛市階段。呢個就係 Samsung 盈利預測大幅超出預期嘅主要原因。咁所謂嘅超級牛市，或者英文講嘅 Super Bull Cycle， 意思係指一個行業因為結構性嘅需求增長而進入一個長期而且非常強勁嘅上升週期。喺記憶體市場 ，AI 就係呢一個結構性嘅驅動力。除咗 Samsung 之外，其他主要嘅記憶體製造商，例如韓國嘅 SK Hynix 同美國嘅 Micron 都同樣受惠。但係呢一種情況對下游嘅電子產品製造商嚟講就係一個挑戰，例如手機、電腦品牌，佢哋要面對零件成本上升嘅壓力。呢個壓力最終可能會轉嫁到消費者身上。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 memory chip。Memory chip 中文嘅意思係記憶體晶片，你可以將佢想象成電腦嘅短期記憶，負責暫時儲存處理器需要快速存取嘅數據。佢嘅速度直接影響電腦嘅反應有幾快。除咗電腦同手機，我哋日常生活好多嘢都有佢，例如智能電視、遊戲機，甚至我哋嘅車入邊都有。例句 The demand for advanced memory chips has increased because of the AI boom。 第二個字係 semiconductor manufacturer。Semiconductor manufacturer 意思係半導體製造商。半導體係一種特殊材料，導電性介乎導體同絕緣體之間，係製造所有晶片嘅基礎。呢啲公司可以話係整個科技產業嘅基石，因為冇咗佢哋生產嘅晶片，就冇我哋而家嘅智能手機、電腦同埋所有高科技產品。佢哋嘅工廠我哋叫晶圓廠 Fab， 投資額係以100億美金計，技術門檻極高。例句 Samsung is a leading semiconductor manufacturer in the world。 第三個字係 High Bandwidth Memory。High Bandwidth Memory 或者簡稱 HBM， 呢個係專業啲嘅術語，意思係高頻寬記憶體。佢係一種速度極快嘅記憶體，專門用喺好似 NVIDIA 嘅 AI 處理器上邊。例句 AI processors require high bandwidth memory to handle large amounts of data quickly。 第四個字係 forecast。佢嘅意思係預測或者預估，喺商業上通常指對未來銷售、利潤等數據嘅估計。例句 The company's profit forecast for the next quarter is very optimistic。 第五個字係 earnings。Earnings 通常用複數 s 結尾，意思係盈利或者利潤，即係公司賺到嘅錢。例句 Samsung reported record earnings driven by strong chip sales。 學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。Hey Daniel, did you see the news about Samsung's latest earnings forecast? It's absolutely massive.
I did. A 20 trillion won operating profit forecast is no small feat. It seems the whole AI boom is really paying off for them.
Definitely, the demand for memory chips is through the roof. I guess being a top semiconductor manufacturer has its perks, especially now.
True. What's interesting is how it's affecting the whole market. They're prioritizing high bandwidth memory for AI, which is creating a shortage for other types of chips.
That makes sense. Sorry, quick question. What exactly is high bandwidth memory? I see the term everywhere, but I'm not totally clear on it.
No problem. Think of it as a super fast lane on a highway for data. AI processors need to access huge amounts of data instantly, and HBM provides that ultra-fast connection. Standard memory is more like a regular city road in comparison.
Got it, that's a great analogy. So Samsung's huge earnings are basically because they're supplying the super fast lanes for the AI industry.
Precisely. And with the way AI is growing, I think their next earnings report might be even better.
希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語：memory chip 記憶體晶片、semiconductor manufacturer 半導體製造商、high bandwidth memory 高頻寬記憶體、forecast 預測同埋 earnings 盈利。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。